Surajit Bhaduri is going to take this live class of legal reasoning questions for those of you who are preparing for CLAT 2020 examination. So this will be a very important class. This will be a very important and a crucial class where we are going to discuss some 5 legal reasoning questions for CLAT 2020. These questions are based on the CLAT 2020 pattern. Okay, these are the questions that are based on the new pattern of CLAT. Earlier friends, we used to have questions in legal reasoning which were principle and fact based question, where the principle would be separate and the facts would be separate, and there would be a question and then 4 options. But right now CLAT has changed its pattern from 2020. Now you are going to get a passage. The passage will include the facts as well as the principle. So you have to be intelligent enough to understand what is the fact and what is the principle, and thereafter you need to start answering those questions. So today's discussion is on a sample paper that CLAT consortium had released. Today we are going to discuss some 5 new pattern questions. Okay, am I clear? So today we are going to discuss 5 new pattern questions. So this is the question. Before the question comes, this is the direction that is given to the students, that each set of questions in this section will be based on reasoning and arguments, on facts and principles set out in the preceding passage. Some of these principles may not be true in the real or legal senses, yet you must conclusively assume that they are true for the purpose of this section. Please answer each question on the basis of what is stated or implied in the corresponding passage. Do not rely on any principle of law other than the ones supplied to you, and do not assume any facts other than those supplied to you when answering the question. In some instances, more than one option may be the answer to the question. In such a case, please choose the option that are more accurately and comprehensively answers the question. Am I clear, friends? Okay, so this is the direction that is given to the students before the passage begins. Okay, friends, so let's start with the passage. Let's start reading the passage. I will give you 2.5 minutes to read the passage. I will give you exactly 2.5 minutes to read the entire passage, and then we are going to solve the questions. Am I clear? Okay. So here is a Seema who is a wrestler, who is a, a member of an akhada in Thane, Maharashtra. She had a cough and cold, and doctor had advised her to buy some cough syrup called Cofdex. This Cofdex, this Cofdex consists of demaxotholin. Okay, it contains demaxotholin, which is a doping substance. After Seema comes to know about the same, she informs the doping association, the anti-doping wing of the akhada, and she was asked to give her urine for the dope test. Okay, friends, this is the second part of the passage. Okay, how many of you are still reading? Okay, okay, so a lot of people are done. Fantastic, fantastic. So before we go to the questions, how many of you are present? I don't know. Since there is no attendance in all these virtual classes, I do not know your name, I do not know where you are from, but for an attendance sake, there has to be some attendance in the class. So the similar process is, how many of you are present and watching me right now? I will come to know if you have clicked on the like button. Please click on the like button if you are there in the screen watching me, so that there are around 95 people. There are around 95 people who are watching me now. There are around 95 people who are watching me now, right? And that means only 44 people are have given me likes. That means there are a lot of people. Okay, please like the video so that I can go ahead with the course questions. Okay, 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 we go to question number 1. Let's read the question. At the time of making her complaint, did Naina had sufficient basis to see that Seema had constructive possession of the prohibited substance? Choose the option with the correct answer as well as the most appropriate explanation of it. Yes. Tell me. Option A, B, C, D. Everyone is giving various answers. Okay. Now, tell me one thing. At the time when she made the complaint, when Naina made the complaint against Seema, did he had sufficient basis to say that Seema had the constructive possession of a prohibited substance? Is it yes or is it no? Let's see. Yes, because Seema's sample tested positive for dimethylene. No, of course not. Okay, let's come to option B. No, Seema did not know that Cofidix contains the prohibited substance at the time of Nana's complaint. Okay, this can be a good answer. Yes, Seema's driver was procuring it for Seema. No. Yes, Seema exercised control over her driver and thereby acquired constructive possession. No. So the correct answer is option B. Am I clear? Seema, when she bought that cough syrup, when the doctor, because she had a cough, she goes to a doctor. The doctor prescribes her Cofidix. Now, when she goes to the medical shop and she buys Cofidix, she had no knowledge of the fact that Cofidix contains the prohibited substance. That Cofidix contains the prohibited substance. The moment she comes to know, she informs the doping authority. Am I clear? Did you understand? The moment Seema comes to know that the cough syrup contains some prohibited substance, she informs the doping authority of the akhada. Am I clear? Hence, Seema did not knew about the fact that this cough syrups contains some prohibited substance. Am I clear? Okay. Okay, fantastic. Let's go to question number 2. Let's go to question number 2. Question number 2 says, did Seema violate the akhada's anti-doping code? Did Seema violate the anti-doping code? Did she violate the anti-doping code of the akhada? I am sure that most of you are giving me answer A. Answer A. Okay. Did she violate? The answer is absolutely no. It can be either A or it can be either C. It cannot be B or D, right? Now let's see which is a better answer. No, because prior to being notified of a anti-doping rule violation, Seema's action to demonstrate that she never intended to take possession of the prohibited substance and renounced its possession. Okay. Option C says no, because the code states that purchase of the prohibited substance constitutes possession by the person and Seema did not make the purchase herself. Doesn't matter. This is wrong. Option A is the correct answer. The fact that prior to being notified of the anti-doping rule violation, Seema took a demonstration that she never intended to possess a prohibited substance, and that is the reason why she goes to the anti-doping authority and tells that I bought this cough syrup because the doctor had prescribed me. I had no intention of taking this as a doping thing. Am I clear? Am I clear, friends? Am I clear? Option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Am I clear? So those of you who are watching me now, for those of you who are watching me now, right now, I would request all of you, please like the video and share it with your friends, and share the video with your friends, so that a lot of people can get advantage of these classes which we are conducting free of all cost. Am I clear? Did you understand? Do like the session fast. Like the session so that we go to our next question fast. Okay, let's go to question number 3. Let's go to question number 3. Now, question number 3 says a precedent is either binding or have persuasive in nature when while deciding subsequent cases with similar issues or facts. Which of the following should not be, now please keep this in mind, would not be a valid precedent? Very, very important. It is not. A lot of people who are reading the question very fast will fall in the trap. Which of the following is not a valid precedent for deciding Naina's complaint against Seema? Let's see. Is it option A? Is it option B? Is it option C? Or is it option D? Option A says a case involving an athlete in whose car a protein substance contained is banned steroid was found. Okay, this is correct. Option B, a case involving an athlete who added a sauce containing a banned growing hormone to a bowl of pasta to be consumed by a rival athlete. Absolutely not. A case involving a weightlifter whose spouse operated in a pharmacy that stocked medicine with prohibited substance and traces of which were found in the weightlifter's samples. Okay, this is also good. A case involving a badminton player who was caught with energy bars that contained a prohibited performance enhancing drug. Okay, since it is not a precedent, hence the answer will be B. Am I clear? Option B is the correct answer. This option B is not a valid precedent in this case. Am I clear? It's a case, option B says it's a case involving an athlete who added a sauce containing a banned growth hormone to a bowl of pasta and consumed by a rival athlete. This cannot be. Am I clear? Hence the answer is B. Am I clear? Did you understand, friends? Am I clear? Did you understand? Fantastic. Question number 4. Question number 4. Yes, tell me, what is your answer? Why do you say, okay, everyone is saying option C? Okay, the question is, Azim is a member of this akhada and one day his son purchases an anti-inflammatory medicine from an e-commerce site. Has Azim violated the akhada's anti-doping code? Who bought this thing? Who bought this medicine? His son? Azim's son bought this medicine without informing Azim. Now, can Azim be held liable for violating the anti-doping code of Mahabali Akhada? Am I clear? It was his son who did it. Azim is a member of the Akhada. Who bought this? Who violated the code? It was his son. His son purchased. Who purchased? It was his son. Who is a member? How can Azim be held liable? Am I clear? The answer is C. Am I clear? Am I clear? Did you understand, friends? Are you understanding or not? So has Asim violated the Akhada's anti-doping policy? No, he has not. He has not. Am I clear? Am I clear, friends? He has not. His son, who is not a member of this Akhada, he bought it in his father's credit card or debit card, whichever it is. But it was his son who did it, not the father. The father is a member of the Akhada. Am I clear? Fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. So those of you who are liking the session, please share this session with your friends. Do share this session with your friend's friend. Question number 5. Read the question very carefully. Yes, question number 5. I have highlighted the most important part of the question. Jansi, everyone is saying D. Very good, very good, very good. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. So, question number 5 simply says that the Akhada's anti-doping code on presence of prohibited substance in an athlete sample contains a rule that states that it is the athlete's personal duty. So it is the personal duty of an athlete to ensure that no prohibited substance enter their body. Am I clear? The fact that Seema failed to prevent the banned substance from entering her body, hence Seema violated the rule. Has Seema violated this rule? Has Seema violated this rule? Yes, because she consumed that cough syrup which contained the prohibited substance. Understand this. Seema consumed See, there was a cough syrup. She was having a cough. She goes to the shop. She buys that cough syrup, which contains this prohibited substance. The fact that she consumed it, what is the law says? What does the law says? It is the personal duty of an athlete to ensure that no prohibited substance enter their body. The fact that Seema failed in her duty to ensure that the prohibited substance enter her body makes her liable. Hence, option D is the correct answer, friends. This is a very straight answer, friends. Am I clear? Am I clear? Okay. Option B says, option A and B says no. She only followed her doctor's advice. But even if she followed her doctor's advice, the law says the fact that she allowed a prohibited substance to enter her body will not be able to be protected her. So answer A is wrong. Answer B, no, Seema followed her personal duty to ensure that prohibited substance does not enter her body. How? How did she stop this thing? She did not. She consumed that cough syrup. Thereby, she could not ensure the prohibited substance does not enter her body. So option B is also correct, or also wrong. Option C, yes, Seema violated the rule by providing her samples before the prohibited substance and left her system. Of course not. Only yes is correct, but this reasoning is wrong. This reasoning is absolutely wrong. Am I clear? Am I clear? Did you understand, friends? The reasoning of option C is absolutely wrong, but the reasoning of D is correct. The D's reasoning is correct. Am I clear? Just because she renounced doesn't make her not liable, because she had allowed the prohibited substance to enter her body. Am I clear? Am I clear, friends? Did you understand? Just give me a thumbs up if you have understood. Okay. 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 So a lot of people are saying crystal clear, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Okay. Up next is the CLAT YouTube schedule. So every day at 2 o'clock you have legal reasoning class in YouTube, and at 6 o'clock you have the daily current affairs. Do not miss those classes. It happens Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. And from Monday to Sunday, we have some or the other classes happening, friends. So from Monday to Sunday, every day of the week, we are providing with some or the other classes. English, legal reasoning, quantitative or DI, general awareness, analytical reasoning and critical reasoning, as well as English classes. So do not just follow the YouTube CLAT schedule in our Gradeups platform of CLAT 2020. So we have a channel for CLAT on Gradeup's YouTube course. So please subscribe and like the session. Friends, it gives me an immense pleasure of informing you that at Gradeup we have come up with a course called Target Law 2020, a score-up course which is going to provide 100 plus live classes, interactive quizzes, 3000 plus practice question, 12 plus mock test, topic wise quizzes and PDFs for revision, full coverage of current affairs and legal knowledge. Those of you who are interested, join join the just download the application. Just download the application in your mobile phone or in your laptop, and thereafter enroll yourself. This we have already started with the course. We have already started with the course, friends. So please do not be late. It's a difficult exam. This exam will be a difficult exam. Now you cannot go out of your home. You have to stay at your home during this current lockdown. So I request all of you that there are a lot of free videos that are available to all of you. See those videos and download the Gradeup app so that you can get all these free videos in front of you in your mobile phone or in your laptop. With this, we come to the end of this class. With this, we come to the end of today's class. Thank you very, very much. God bless you. Prep smart, score better, go Gradeup. Thank you.